So I get questions a lot about inversion practices because it seems like, especially on social media, I'm always upside down. And it's actually kind of true, I am always upside down, but it's because handstanding for me is the one thing that I do that I can only think about that moment that I'm in. The minute my mind drifts to something else, I fall out of it. So it requires such a radical presence that to me and to my spirit, it's really spicy. It's like really exciting. So every day, if I feel like I'm in a rut or I feel like my energy is low, I'll pop up into a handstand no matter where I am. But it hasn't always been this way. I tell my students that it took 7 years from the time I started yoga to the time I was able to pop up and hold a handstand. And then I just decided in my mind that it was going to be a lifelong practice. That it wasn't going to be, I'm going to hit a handstand, I'm going to hold it for a minute and I'm done. No, this is going to be a lifelong practice. I'm going to do a little every day and I'm going to make a new mistake every day. And then every time I fall, I'm going to learn from that. So I looked at it differently as like a process. I keep falling to the right. Now I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna try to fall to the left. And I learned, and I looked at it from more of like a childlike wonder perspective of this is gonna be part of my life for the rest of my life, so what am I in a hurry for? And then once you get one thing, there is always more. There is an abundance to this work. So you just keep getting to play and play and play, and it never ends, and that's the good news.